Okay, now I gotta call Tammy, tell her the tree's down okay, so she don't worry. Those logs are 10.5 feet. So I got to get them out of here now. Yep. It's getting warm for, it was 22 yesterday morning. This morning wasn't quite as cold, but it was froze. Ice and dog water. I had an awesome video of, at least it should have been awesome, of the tree falling towards the camera. And either the concussion of the log hitting closed that door and shut the camera off, or I never turned it on. I swear I did. So I hope there's some footage there. We'll see. I don't exactly know. I'm going to pull in there. Beautiful day. I'm just going to pull this up here for now because I don't know where I'm going to saw it. I'm going to cut a couple of 8x8 10-foot or 10.5-foot beams. And I'm going to work on my building on a budget that I started last year and just never got back to. There's going to be 3 more posts in the back, and there'll be a beam or something across that. I got a couple of dead big tooth aspen back in the woods there that I'll cut them off, figure out what length it's going to be. I'm building this building according to what materials I can scrounge, not by what I want, because this is just temporarily permanent if it stands the weather. But anyways, I'll use a big tooth aspen to sheet the roof if I can. I gotta get some rafters. I was thinking about leaving them half round or two-sided, leaving some round on them, and I've got some spruce down there that only have 3 foot of the top of 30 feet left alive that I might be able to use for poles. I don't know. But then for this year, I know I can't afford steel, but I might have a tarp I can put over the popple for the first winter. It ain't gonna go nowhere. So all right, that's what we're gonna do. I guess that looks as good a spot as any. Alrighty, ready for a log. Hey, come on. That'd have hurt. That would have hurt. Dog? Holly Sawyer? Holly Sawyer? Oh, there's one of you. There you go. You guys gotta go. You can't. Hey, what do you got? An ear of corn. Well, that's what happens when you're not paying attention. I put a shim in there to center the heart and I forgot to take it back out. Took my last cut. It's supposed to be an 8x8, but the shim was in there and I don't have 8 inches anymore. Okay, the target is a 7x8. That's probably the size I needed the whole time, because sometimes happy accidents. Pretty wood. Pretty wood. All right, I'll make some slightly weiny 2x6s out of what we got there. And maybe I should, oh, I forgot, them are 7-inch, not 8-inch. Ugh. All right, let's edge them. Oh, I got to get that off of there. Let's find out how heavy it really is. Which way do I want to go? Probably that way so I can get a little log arch if it's too heavy. That was easy. So here I am in the UP, and I see I missed a call from my son, so I tried calling home and no answer. So I called Tammy to ask her if she knew, this Tammy's up at the cabin, if she knew why Jeremy was trying to call. And she said that the neighbor just tried calling her and told her that there are 3 bear cubs in our backyard, our fenced backyard at home. I'm in the UP. I hope somebody's taking video, for goodness sake. Okay, I gotta go get my log. Nothing much I can do about bears in my backyard. Don't let go of the handle.
Neighbor on the end did, and he just sent it to me.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Did Jill try to get video?
Jill got pictures.
Did Jeremy get any pictures?
No, he wasn't home.
You didn't see it?
No, he was pulling in the driveway, and here's the pictures that Jill sent me. Right there.
He needs to find out, are they still in there?
No, they went down the hill.
How did they get in there?
They climbed the fence.
They climbed the fence?
Climbing the tree.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank goodness the dogs weren't home. Okay, hopefully I'll get some clear stuff, because I was talking about getting the phone, or the message on the video.
Yeah.
Wow. They must know it's safe. Isn't this something? They look like cubs, big cubs, in my backyard at home, inside the fence. They climbed my fence to get in there. The hook come off again. thinking about the bears. Alright. That's all for now. End of video. I got nothing else. See you next time. And let me see what we can do next time. I don't know. Find out. If you take and ring that little bell after you subscribe to the channel, or if you've subscribed and never rang the notification bell, if you watch this video and want to see what I do with these beams at some point, ring the notification bell and we'll let you know, and you can avoid it in the future if you want to. See you later.